Kern County's coronavirus is this week's 500 mark. We'll have the details with Stacey Shepard. But still need help to provide 35,000 meals to homeless food insecure. And one dies in a mobile home fire in the Bakersfield Californian podcast in 30 seconds.
What do we love most about playing Monopoly? Competing to own it all. The Monopoly moments families love, the competition they can't live without.
Reese's eggs are back, and we hit them somewhere you'll never find. Psych! We put them everywhere. Grocery stores and supermarkets, gas stations, and chiropractors' offices, bowling alleys and grocery stores, which we already mentioned. Not sorry, Reese's.
Now, on the Bakersfield Californian podcast with Danny Letter. More updates on the coronavirus cases surpassed 500 mark. We'll have the details on it coming up. But we'll give you updates on the coronavirus stories with nothing. Bakersfield Chief of Police Fires announced will decision at certain next week. And in the mobile home fire, one person has been killed. But we'll keep an eye on our collections with our photo record featuring our former TBT horse racing reporter, Jessica Tulak. Good evening, happy Wednesday. Where here's one day increase of 70 new cases on Tuesday. Kern County surpassed 500 total COVID-19 cases, according to the data from the Kern County Public Health Services Department. That number is by far the highest number of cases of the coronavirus reported in a single day, bringing total cases to 524 since the first infection of the coronavirus was announced on March 17th. That first case, as well as 7 others, wasn't a person who resides outside Kern County, but was not here when diagnosed with the coronavirus. These 3 people have died so far from the COVID-19, according to the Kern County Public Health Services Department's figures. As of Monday, 39 people were hospitalized with the coronavirus, with 18 of those cases in the ICU. KUCC TBC reporter Stacey Shepard joins us here now in the studio with more on that story. How are you doing so good today here, Stacey Shepard? Well, while current cases continue to grow, 500 cases in 29 days, it's far below the NYC and the major hospitals for the coronavirus, like New York City, and the numbers so far have not caused a shock to many health officials locally. Kern County total cases and new cases of the coronavirus by day. You'll be seeing new cases each day and total cases. Tonight, Kern County ranks 12 in number of cases around California's 53 countries that have reported COVID-19 infections, and ranks 15 among counties for cases on per capita basis. According to the covidcounties.org, and enter the database tracking cases in all countries in the United States developed by UC San Francisco's Bakersfield Health Sciences Institute. Army Family Health Association and Associate American Database Challenge said this could mean our social distancing is working and will be the current working on the spread of the virus. She said, it could, and she said, it could, and that COVID-19 was here way earlier than we knew, and we have some immunity occur already. But it could also be that not all cases are being detected locally, and the worst is yet to come. I hope. Now back here, Regulus Terrell said we have to continue to take our precautions to stop the spread of the coronavirus, and here's what he has to say. Listen. Let's take away for that. for that is that we get rats while social distancing and our hand washing and not touching our face, and then this could definitely get mud splits. We don't want to these worst case spreaders to come to person, and when we successful, we can say, oh well, these but distance were true. It doesn't mean the but distance were wrong. It just means we're acting the right way with those but distance. As could be much worse. It still could be. We can't rule it out. We have to take that S and stay seriously. For more on the interview, go to our Bakersfield.com webpage. I'm Stacey Shepard, TVC Media, KCC. Alright, unbelievable story about that. So that's a Tuesday afternoon. A total of 7,240 tests have been done in the county, with 3,384 negative. Pending results total now 2,832. Did any help to provide 35,000 meals to homeless food scare? Mercy Memorial Hospital starting today will begin providing 35,000 meals with offerings of barbecue week to the homeless and those experiencing food insecurity working during the COVID-19 pandemic. The $154,000 donation fund did any help. Starting Westwood in Bakersfield will prepare 2,500 meals daily for 2 weeks to be distributed at all places such as the Bakersfield Homeless Center.
It just changed. You shouldn't.
Such as the Bakersfield Homeless Center. And you know what's happening. Will prepare 2,500 meals staying for 2 weeks to be distributed at the organizations such as the Bakersfield Homeless Center, St. Vincent A. Paul, Kern County, and City Cell. Press conference will take place at 10 a.m. today, of course, at Southern Westwood. To provide more details about the place barbecue week, was started in 2011 and has helped get more than 3 million meals during natural disasters and other emergencies. And emergencies. Let's go to the other medical news. Kern Business will receive 15,000 surgical masks Monday to help healthcare workers on the front line of the coronavirus pandemic, according to the news release from the health center. The donation was part of the 30,000 surgical masks purchased through the Center by Community Foundation's COVID-19 Emergency Response Fund. The fund is made possible with the support of the California Environment, the James B. McCarthy Foundation, PTNE Corporation, Foundation of Seattle Health Foundation, there's Comcast and several. Here's what they have to say. And here's 10 Calvin, former anchor Channel 23, said directed by raises for clinical Sierra Business. Watch this. Our music starters and will step on the front line of the battle against the COVID-19 pandemic and virtual protect again like these matches allow our police to feel protected as they put themselves in a harm's way to protect our families. Now, they have tested more than 600 CSP patients and tried 56 positive cases of that COVID-19, according to the clinic. About to sell Bakersfield Foundation amounts Tuesday. The ones of the free voucher rates that will benefit families affected by the COVID-19 due to donations to help the cause of close fees, transplantation, and watering, according to the news release from the hospital. This is the annual tough as now is current quarantine. 2 times 4 race will take place April 24 to 26. This is the 24-mile race, can be won or walked from anywhere in the world, according to the news release. from Bakersfield, Bakersfield. That means runners must complete 2 miles every 4 hours during the 48-hour period, and at least 4 of the 2-mile runs will take place sometime between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. And here's what a Bakersfield Foundation President Bill Sanders had to say at once. So many people in our community are saying do is community wellness. It's the animals who are directly fighting the coronavirus and those who are just going a little crazy. We want to find ways to help. For more information to sign up, visit https://1signup.com/California/Bakersfield/Quarantine Ultra. Business news now. The temporary closure of the Wall Stores Incorporated Distribution Center in Southern will cause Kern's economy. 1,268 stores now including another 328% since one of the company stores here in Bakersfield and Delano are going to layoffs before filed William County officials Tuesday. Of course, they bought Burlington Coal Factory of Texas Incorporated and also disclosed store cuts at its California stores, including here in Bakersfield, the shop at 4400 block of California Avenue. Unlike many other wards employers losing workers during the economic crisis, Burlington's federally required paperwork did not state how many possessions were lost locally. Wards layoffs bring the two at least 4,332 the number of current charges before the loss since April 1st because of the coronavirus pandemic. 31 employers in the county have reported cuts across a variety of industries. And Walmart on Tuesday announced the ones of a pickup house for customers over the age of 60, first responders, customers with disabilities, and anyone decided high risk by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, according to the news release from Walmart. KCC's Tom Carr is here now with the story. Tom? Yeah, the hour is 7 to 8 a.m. It's the special pickup house at select store locations here, including here in Kern County, according to Walmart. The point is, this pickup is to be contact-free, as customers can open the trunk and Walmart associates will roll their groceries. A mirror pamphlet is available at walmart.com/grocery that displays the qualifications for the special pickup hour and allows those who are eligible to opt in, according to Walmart. This term will receive Vice President of Customer Party at Walmart has to say. Now more than ever, families are relying on our pickup service to help get quality fresh groceries to their homes as safely as possible. For more, now remember store hours opens early, including the waiting hours at 11. For more of those, go to our Bakersfield California webpage. Tom Carrs, TVC Media, KCC. Okay, next podcast for you will be back for you at the 9 o'clock hour with more with nothing, community and public safety. One night in a mobile home fire, and Bakersfield Chief of Police Fire amounts will decision as soon as next week. That will be when I get back from the house. So I have more tonight. You always fight. Everyone's gonna be interrupted. So I know I had it. I should start a little early. So please enjoy. So I don't like this. So that's good news. So I don't know about that. So one more of those coming up when we see you back for more of the Bakersfield California podcast, and we'll have the question on the beginning of the podcast. More on that coming up. Please so I'm gonna have to go. I'll have more. So more on that coming up later. We'll see you in a bit. Thanks for listening.